Enter this Scrunchie Club. You'll get a different scrunchie every month, and it can be... So my next package is from NPTressTreats. I love it. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Like, y'all know how much I love flamingos. And I'm in the Scrunchie Club, so guess what it's gonna be? So let's open it up to see what it is. So she sent me this cute card with my name, Telisa. And, ooh, like, I hope nobody can see me in my card, but I'm really happy. Thank you. So, oh my goodness, I love this. This is like arm candy. Look at that. Yes, boo. Yes. I love it, girl. Thank you. Ah! And she sent me this cute little thing. I love it. Can y'all tell I'm happy? So I left work with no accessories, and I'm coming back with arm candy. I love it, love it, love it. And it matches my outfit today like perfect. Perfect. And did I mention this thing smells like sweet lavender? I just love it. Y'all got to go to work, but go check out her stuff. She has bonnets. She has scarves. She has anything you need. Go check her out. Also, that's where I got my flamingo bonnet. Y'all know the one I be wearing every night. Go check her out.